As I was editing this, I realized this bit's a bit hard to see what I'm doing, so I thought I better just do a bit of a voice here. So I'm just taking some green gems, use whatever color you want, because I did the green snake. I'm just hot gluing them on, and then I am going to take one row of that, I don't know what, diamond mesh, I guess, and I'm going to do it over and around the eyes, kind of like in an M shape, if that makes sense. Like I said, it is a little bit hard to see what I'm doing on here. So I'm going to take my hot glue and sort of do an like brows over the emerald eyes, and then I'm going to put that diamond mesh, one row of it over top so it still has its scales. So I hope that sort of clarifies what I'm doing. I know it's a little bit hard to see. But yeah, if you can see with the glue gun, I'm just going right sort of not on the eyes, but above the eyes, and going down into the center, and then doing the same thing on the other eye, and then adding that mesh to it. As you can see, I'm just going to go back in again with a bit of that tissue paper, do the Mod Podge over top of it, and then just paint it the same way as we did before. So I hope that sort of makes it a bit easier to see what I'm doing. you.